and we are at El Tinampa in Kissimmee, and this is another hidden gem, hole in the wall, awesome Mexican food. So it's off of 192. There's seating area in the front here, but let's get inside. This is inside, and let's go towards it. We are here. And here is all of them.
Hello.
Are you guys good?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Good.
Some yummy chips. Like to serve prices and all the yummies. You guys need to come and try this out.
And we have our fresh horchata.
And pineapple aqua fresca, the best I've ever had. Oh, and the horchata,
Good.
not powdery, so good.
Here are my tacos. One chorizo, one carne asada, and one polo chicken. Doesn't it look good? Oh, it's dark in here. Oh yeah, carne asada, nice chorizo, lime. And then we have
A quesadilla.
a kid's meal, quesadilla with french fries.
It could have came with rice and beans, but
Yes.
we have a white boy, so
We have a white boy. And then we have a real Mexican meal.
Oh my god, I got the birria
What is
with
it?
the consomme.
There you go.
Oh yes, that looks so
Alright,
rich.
let's just take a...
This looks amazing.
Alright, have a bite of something.
Okay, I'm gonna have a bite of my birria. Oh my god, that looks good.
And it's like triple layered, man.
Yep.
Look at it.
It's because you're gonna dunk. But I'm gonna put some lime on it. My jowls are like, I can't wait. And dunk in the consomme. Your heaven. This is my heaven. Right here. Right here, baby. The consomme is savory. The meat is so tender in that birria taco. It's excellent. Excellent. I'm gonna have a sip of this on its own. Because it is a broth, basically. You taste all of the meat that it was soaked up in. Out of this world. 10 on 10. Must come and try.
Thanks for watching. Stick around. There's a lot more.